Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying system compatibility and permissions. This avoids interruptions later. Once ready, sign in with your Apple ID and allow photos and camera access. Next, open Image Playground and either tap New Canvas or import an existing photo from your library. Make sure to pick the correct resolution so edits remain crisp. While the app loads, glance at the toolbar to locate crop, brush, text, and style presets. These are the tools you'll use immediately. Now you dive into detailed editing. Crop to the desired aspect ratio and straighten if needed. Choose an AI style or filter, then adjust the strength slider to balance effect versus original detail. Once applied, switch to brush and eraser tools to refine edges and preserve key areas. Use layers to separate adjustments. Rename, lock, reorder, and tweak opacity so changes stay reversible. Make sure to zoom and inspect at 100% to catch artifacts or oversmoothing before moving on. Finish by previewing your image at full size and toggling comparison with the original to verify improvements. When satisfied, open Export, choose Format, PNG or JPEG, set quality and target size, then save to Photos or Files. Name the file clearly and include version numbers if you plan more edits. If something looks wrong, revert to a prior layer or step through the undo history. That quick rollback is often the fastest fix before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.